here on Palm Court, the beauty of Palm Court are the rents are really low. They're only about 2,600 and something per year. And this one is for sale. It's number 12. Still got a garden. It's on the hard standing. So the garden is all to the front and the side. This is your parking space. It's very big. The gentleman at the moment parks. He can get his motorhome on there, so you could get 2 cars on there if you needed to. It's a 2-bed model. There's only 6 homes on this little cul-de-sac, and as you can see, plenty of space to do what you want with the garden. You can put a pool in like next door, freestanding pool. It's all fenced in, so if you've got a dog it'll be fine. And at the back and the front it's completely not overlooked. This is an Atlas Tempo model. I'm just going to go and show you around the back as well. There's plenty of space to put some table and chairs if you want. And there's a satellite dish and the washing machine housed at the back. Lovely decking here. Going to go up. That's the view from the front, so plenty of greenery out front and a view of the mountain where the sun sets behind. And the back, again, you're not overlooked at the back either. So there's some lovely garden furniture there too. So into the home. It's got mosquito nets there. And it's lovely freestanding furniture that pulls out into a king-size bed, very easy. A new fireplace and aircon. Lovely kitchen, easy to keep clean and beautiful. Nothing to do on this home, you can move straight in, and it's all done in a lovely blues and greys, contemporary feel. There's 1 bedroom here, which is a nice size, got 2 single beds, sorry, some cupboards, and also a little wardrobe there. Looking back on the home this way, it's a lovely home. And then into the main bedroom. It was a 3-bed, but the present owner turned it into a 2-bed, and so you've got plenty of space now in the main bedroom. None of this squeezing around the side of the bed. It would be a great holiday home, this, or in fact a place to live. And again, the bathroom is a lovely size. It's a shower and also a toilet with cupboards. All in all, a great home, great entry home into Spain. If you'd like more information, click on the link.